Here we are, just come off a ferry in Calais, done a bit of digging and my sat-nav wouldn't work when I come off, so we done a little bit of going round the wrong roads, but here we are. Nicola's favourite place, the Calais Wine Superstore. Here she is, big smiles now. We just parked there now. We're going to have a look what deals they got in here, guys. She was about to hopefully pick some stuff up to come back across, really, more that really. But we can have a look now what's in here and see the prices. Yeah, guys, we just pulled up at Dunkirk now. We saw the town is where all the beaches, hopefully, by the nature reserve. So we're going to walk in here and we're going to see if this is where the beach is. There's two different ways, and we're right up in the dunes of Dunkirk by the looks of it. It's an absolutely stunning day. Couldn't have asked for better weather, really, especially our first trip over here. Trying to learn the roads, sussing things out. I'm going to probably pick up some fuel next now because we had a big drive from Wales yesterday, 5 hours. I still got half a tank, I think. So we're going to try and find where the beaches of Dunkirk, hopefully. We don't know where we're going, so let's do a bit of exploring. Up here, down here? God knows. Up here? Full of sand now.
Yeah, well.
It's a little bit chilly. It's only 6 degrees. So, like I say, it's absolutely fantastic, as you can see. Here we go, guys. It's a bit spine tingling, really, to think that all the men got lifted off here in the Second World War on Operation Dynamo. And my great uncle Howard was one of those men, and he said he'd never seen scenes like this in his life, where the sea was red, where the German gunboats were mowing people down, and like I said, to come and walk on this beach is quite, it's just wow, speechless really. What a beach. Golden sands, as you can see, stunning, and it goes on for miles. Glad we came in now, really. Different than 1940, 19 whatever year it was, they got lifted off, but it's so peaceful now. Incredible.